Hello guys, welcome to my channel Quick Learn. Now here I am with the part 6 of our communication skills. So without any further delay, let me tell you what I'm going to tell you in this part 6. Here we are going to see the 7 C's of communication. For our effective communication, these 7 C's are very much important. Let's see first which are those: clear, concise, concrete, correct, coherent, complete, courteous. Now let's see each of them. First is clear. When writing or speaking to someone, be clear about your goal or message. What is your purpose in communicating with this person? If you are not sure, then your audience won't be sure either. Yes, you should be always clear with your topic whenever you are speaking or writing, or when you are talking to someone. You should be clear about your goal or about your message, what you want to convey. You should be clear. The purpose of communicating with that person should be clear. If you yourself are not sure about that, then the audience will also not get clear about what exactly you want to say. So to be clear, try to minimize the number of ideas in each sentence. If you have number of ideas in your mind, keep it in your mind, talk slowly. Please represent one idea at one time. Do not mix up the ideas. Each sentence should be clear to that person so that he will get clear what exactly you want to say. Make sure that's it easy for your listener to understand your meaning. So you should be clear, your meaning should be clear to him. So for that, your sentences should be in easy form so that your listener will understand it. The third one is people shouldn't have to interrupt or make assumptions on their own to understand what you are trying to say. Yes, if you are not clear about your point, the people will start interrupting in between to ask you questions. This should not happen because it will distract you. So please make sure you should be clear. No one should interrupt in between, and if even though they do not interrupt in between, they will start making assumptions on their own to understand what exactly you are saying if you are not clear. So the very first point for effective communication is you should be clear. The second one is concise. So what is concise? Giving lot of information in few words. You should speak few, but in that few you should give a lot of information to others. That is, when you are concise in your communication, you stick to the point and keep it brief. Your communication, your points, your information should be brief. It should not be too long. It should be short, but it should be understandable. Your audience doesn't want to read or listen more sentences. They need to listen in small, in brief, but that message should be clear to them. So you should be concise, that you should try to give a lot of information but in few words. That is, you should stick to the point. While speaking on one topic, you should not directly jump to the other one while correcting the first one. So you can often eliminate words like for instance, you see, definitely, kind of, literally, basically, or I mean. So these words are meaningless. You should eliminate these words for making your words, or you can say your sentence, brief, that is small. So eliminate this type of words. You should be clear. You should be point to point. Are there any unnecessary sentences? Start thinking before speaking that are there any unnecessary sentences that you can eliminate. Have you repeated the point several times in different ways? Please avoid this thing. Whenever you are speaking, please think that have you repeated the same point but in several ways or in different ways. So please do check that before speaking. So you should be concise. After that, it is concrete. So what is concrete? You should be real. Whatever you are speaking, you should be real about that. You should be perfect about that. You should not give any fake information. When you know about that information, at that time only you should tell that information to others. Whenever your message is concrete, that means it is real, then your audience has a clear picture of what you are telling them. So when you speak real, when you speak concrete, your audience gets clear about what exactly you want to say to them. There are details, but not too many. There are many details, but that should not be too many. Any vivid facts or anything means यहाँ का सुना हुआ वहाँ बताना should not happen when you are doing an effective communication. And there's less like focus. You lose your own focus when you start speaking, and when you yourself are not confident, your listeners will not be clear about what exactly you want to say. Your message is solid. So your message should be solid. That is, your message should be real. Your message should be concrete. So let's see the next one. Correct. You should always be correct with your information. Your message should be free from error. It should not have any mistakes. When your communication is correct, it fits your audience. Whenever you communicate effectively in a correct manner, at that time only your audience gets very much fit about that message, that they get clear that you are speaking correct and it's not any mistake. And correct information or communication is also error-free communication. Your communication should always be error-free. There should be not any error in between. Have you checked your writing for grammatical errors? Whenever you are writing someone through communication, always check the grammatical errors. Always check. That is very much important because it changes the meaning. Remember, spell checkers won't catch everything. Spell checkers, your spelling should be correct or the message will get wrong. Are all names and titles spelled correctly? Whenever you are speaking, just always think, are you pronouncing the names and the titles correctly or not? So you should always be correct while you are having communication. So the next one is coherent. Clear and easy to understand. Your message or your information should be clear and it should be easy to understand, which means your message or information should be coherent. When your communication is coherent, it's logical. Means your information should be logical. It should have some logic. It should not be illogical, right? While speaking, your message should be logical. All points are connected and relevant to the main topic. Whenever you are talking on any point, you should be relevant and you should stick to your point. You should be connected to your topic. You should be always connected to your topic, and your points whenever you are speaking should be relevant to that topic. You should not start or you should not skip any point and go to some another topic, right? And the tone and flow of the text is consistent. Your flow and tone should always be consistent. It should not be like upar niche and some types of things, right? It should be always consistent. Speak always consistently. It always makes yourself comfortable. And then think of others. Whenever you are consistent about yourself, you always make yourself comfortable while having communication. The next one is complete. Your message should be complete. It should not miss anything. Nothing should be missing. In a complete message, the audience has everything they need to be informed and, if applicable, take action. Whenever you are giving a complete message, at that time only the audience has everything they need, means they are complete. They think this information is complete. Whatever they have came for is being complete. If applicable, give actions, start taking actions, explain through actions, give some gestures, some postures through which your message will be more clear and the audience will get complete idea or complete message what exactly you want to tell to them. Does your message include a call of action? That is, always keep an action with you whenever you are speaking, but not too many of actions, right? Little bit actions, so that your audience clearly knows what you want to tell to them. So you should always be clear so that your audience will get a complete message, and whenever you are giving any information, that should be complete. And next one is courteous. What is courteous? Politely and with respect. Whenever you are having any communication, you should always be polite to everyone. You should always speak with respect. Courteous communication is friendly, open, and honest. You should always be honest whatever you are speaking to. You should always be open to answer all the questions whatever you are getting with, and you should be friendly with the front persons so that everyone will get clear with your communication. There are no hidden insults or passive aggressive tones. Whenever you are answering, you should not insult anyone. You should not be aggressive, or your tone should not be aggressive. You keep your reader's viewpoint in mind. Please keep the points in your mind that you should always be courteous and you are empathetic to their needs. You are there to communicate, to fulfill their needs. So therefore, you should not be aggressive to them. You should not insult them. You should be friendly to them. You should keep your mind open, your answers open to them. And the very biggest point is you should be honest to them. So all these 7 points are very much important for all of us to be correct in our communication, to be effective in our communication. So thank you so much, guys. In this video, we learned the 7 C's of our effective communication. Hope you guys are clear with this. Thank you so much. If you liked my video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my video. And also please press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my each and every videos. Thank you so much, guys.